Welcome to All American Trailers.
The 7x16 Challenger Tandem Enclosed Cargo Trailer with V-nose and ramp is the perfect solution for all your hauling needs. This top-of-the-line trailer features a V-nose design, providing additional storage space and improved aerodynamics for better fuel efficiency. This trailer is built to last, with a durable construction that can handle even the toughest jobs. The spring-assisted ramp with extension makes loading and unloading a breeze, while the 32 inches side door with flushlock provides easy access to your cargo. The 24 inches stoneguard protects the trailer from road debris, ensuring that it stays in pristine condition for years to come. Inside, you'll find 3/8 plywood walls and a 3/4 plywood floor that can withstand heavy loads and rough terrain. The 030 exterior gray aluminum gives the trailer a sleek and modern look, while the interior LED light ensures that you can easily see your cargo at all times. All lights on the trailer are LED, providing bright and efficient lighting that will last for years to come. The Challenger Tandem Enclosed Cargo Trailer is equipped with Dextertandem 3,500 pounds axles and Dextertandem adjust electric brakes, providing smooth and reliable performance on the road. The ST205/75R15 radial tires and 5-lug silver mod wheels ensure a safe and comfortable ride, no matter where your travels take you. This trailer comes with a 3-year manufacturer's warranty, giving you peace of mind that your investment is protected. Dealer handling is included in the price, making it easy to get your new trailer on the road. Please note that all deposits on trailers are non-refundable, so be sure to choose the Challenger Tandem Enclosed Cargo Trailer with confidence. Nose door. Thanks for watching.